LVDS cables transmit data over a pair of differential PCB wires or balanced cables, which can reach transmission rates of hundreds or even thousands of megabits per second, Mbps. LVDS is a low-amplitude differential signaling analog technology that engineers can use to design mixed-signal systems. Romtronic has extensive experience with LVDS cable assemblies, and we can provide customized solutions to customer specifications or equivalent parts to save time and cost. With 26 years of experience, we can assist you in designing and manufacturing LVDS cables to meet your specific requirements. Advantages of our customized LVDS cables: 1. Customized high-end complex LVDS cable assemblies are available. 2. Accept small batch production orders with affordable prices. 3. Fast delivery. All processes, e.g. soldering, overmolding, and performance testing, are done in-house, usually within 10 to 15 business days. 4. We are UL/CE USB 4TID certified and offer a variety of connector configurations, cable types, and jacket material color options to meet any special customization requirements.